I'm Dan from themeparknut.com, and today we're going to have a little bit of a chat about the channel and what's going on with our camera situation. Okay, so you probably saw my video a couple of weeks ago where my camera completely fell off my tripod. At the moment, I'm still looking for my new camera. Thanks for everyone that gave feedback on my last video. It's astonishing how many vloggers at the moment are using the Canon G7X Mark II. It's like the most popular camera in the world. So that's at the top of our list, but it's unlikely that we're going to be able to afford it. At the moment, we're probably looking at the SX730HS, which is got a not as nice a sensor, but a lot of the other good vlogging features of the G7X Mark II. At the moment, we're in a bit of a tight spot because our car broke down and things, so I haven't replaced that yet. So there'll be a few more weeks while I save up doing these sort of videos off my phone. So please bear with me. Like I said, we're hoping to look at getting this camera replaced definitely before the end of the year. We've got a local trip planned where we'll be hitting up a couple of the local theme parks. So hopefully I can get a camera by then and be vlogging as we go around there with the family. But for the moment, it's going to be my news in a minute videos are going to be recorded on my phone. So in other news, the channel I'm now moving to doing 2 uploads a week. So I'm going to continue doing my news in a minute videos on Friday night Australian time, which is sort of Friday morning US and UK time. I'm going to also, I've been trialing this for a few weeks, but I'm going to now consistently say every Sunday night I'm going to do an upload as well, our time. So Sunday morning US UK time. Those are not going to be set in stone what they are. They're going to be different things every week. So this will be probably the first of them. I'm going to do a couple of trip reports. I did a video a few weeks back that was a time machine trip where we went back and looked at visiting Dreamworld about 10 years ago, around the time that I got married to my wife. I'm going to do a few other trips from the past. The first one coming up, which will probably be in 2 weeks' time, we'll start doing Europa Park, which we went to in Germany. So I think I got about 3 videos of that. So I'll do those in sequence over the next couple of weeks as well. So 2 videos a week, news in a minute on Fridays, and something else on Sundays. I'm trying to improve the channel in general. I'm going to do a promo video for the channel to try and pull in some new subscribers. We're slowly building up. We're about to cross 50 subscribers, so it's a really exciting time for me. And yeah, so thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Hopefully I'll be able to replace my camera soon and get back to sort of standard broadcasting. Thanks for watching my ramble about the camera and the channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section down below. If you want to check us out on Twitter, we're at themeparknut, and our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.